guys, and back to more Hog. Well, today I'm gonna be reviewing. Well, no, not reviewing. So I have this box that I painted a long time ago, and it has a bunch of slime. It was in my room, and I don't really know what the subject like or anything. I just got this mic, so my peaches still. I kind of like just woke up, but okay. So we have some lotion too in here. We have a bunch of different brands. Straight off the bat, let's just go with this one. My voice kind of sounds kind of weird. So it's this Unicorn Friends. I got this so long ago. Ooh, it smells like shaving cream. I'm trying to make sure that you guys hear it. I really like this one. It's really nice. I think that it definitely goes with the vibe. So, because it's pink, it does get all over my hands though. So it's kind of drippy. It's really thick is what I think I'm getting from it. It's gonna have a little lotion. It's just a Disney lotion. My hands. You know, I might as well just put some on my hands. Maybe I'll do some glitter. And I do not have any napkins. Well, I do have a tissue, but you know. Tissue smissue. Okay. Just a little. Oh, now my hands are so slippery. And I smell like Disney now. Okay. Just gonna mix that in here. So if it starts to get like that, that just means you have to mix it more. Oh, so let me tell you about my new setup. So I got a microphone. I have a ring light. I'm not using it right now because I have a really good light back there. But I mean, like it would probably be even better. But I also have a desk now, and that's where I'm basically filming. And that's when I do my cooking videos. This is probably this is and my makeup and stuff is still gonna be my bathroom. But like here is gonna be when I do this ASMR. We're gonna have a lot of different things now. But my channel is mostly just a get ready with me channel. But we're also gonna have some other things now. I have this, and it would also just help with me talking. And I got this desk for like studying. But I don't have homework at my school yet, so. Oh, I almost dropped. I was about to do ooh, and then I almost dropped it. Okay, I really like this one. All it needed was a little lotion. I'm gonna rate this one. I also added the glitter, and I've done a lot to this. This is not like from the brand. I'm just gonna say, from this being in the box with some lotion, I'm gonna rate it a 9 out of 10. Well, no, let's do an 8 out of 10. Because I did have to add some lotion. A 10 out of 10 is like an amazing slime, which I think we might have one of those in here. A good smelling, good stretch. We're looking for good smelling, a good stretch. And if it smells like something weird, I really don't care because that's how like almost everything is. Okay, we have this one that I made. It's called The Smoothie. Which, okay guys, when I opened this box just to see what's in there, I may have accidentally earlier. I saw this one, and I'm just like, well, I wonder what this one is gonna feel like. It's glue. I bet you. That's glue right there. Ooh. activator, which this box did not come with activator. Well, you know what I mean. I did not put activator in here, and I do not have any activator on me right now, so... Okay, next one. Oh my gosh, I used to love this one. It's an Elmo's Glue. And it is fruit slushy. It used to smell amazing. It kind of lost that scent. This one, it lost it. It used to be amazing bubble popper. It had so many members. So we're just going to put in the cap and add some lotion, because I really want to try to get this one back. Now, I don't know how this is going to react. I'm just going to hope it's okay reacting one. Because the other one I knew was probably going to be a good reacting one, because I've added a lot to that, I remember in the past. But I don't remember about this one. I think this one turned into glue. We're just going to see. It's getting everywhere on my thumb. It wants to devour my thumb. Okay. See, that's what I was expecting. It's just turning into this sticky consistency. It's not letting it stretch. It's kind of, but I have to kind of force it. I like it, like, I want it stress worthy. I want to be like, no, I have to go like, but it's okay. Let's try to make a bubble. My desk is pink, just like this. Wait, my desk in this color, it's like basically matching. It's kind of hard to tell though. Okay, it's a little bit darker, but that's okay. That's okay. Bubble power. We're going for that bubble power. It's not working. When I was younger and I didn't have this YouTube channel, like really young, I used to pretend to make videos, and I did a bubble video. Well, video. Okay, we're just gonna put this back. The lotion didn't really help it that much, so I'm just gonna rate this one from how it used to be and how it is now. Well, that's definitely a big change. I'm gonna rate this a 6. Well, no, a 7. Because, you know, I love, when I mean love, I love this one. My cousin got it. Halloween cupcake batter. It says how it's backward because physics. But it's Halloween cupcake batter. It smells amazing. I remember. Smells like cupcakes. Okay, we're gonna take this one out. Now, already it's a butter slime. It's not too playish. It's stretchy. I don't have to fight that stretch. It smells amazing. I mean, it's by Slime by Grace. I think it's an amazing slime. I think I'm gonna rate this one a 10 out of 10 because I don't need to add anything to it. It's already amazing. And butter slimes don't make bubbles, but it broke the bubble test. It's fine. We're still gonna rate it a 10 out of 10 because I love it. This one's not really a bubble slime though. It's more of just a crackles. Oh, I love that sound. Staying alive. I love just to watch it smooth. Like, it's so smooth. It's just amazing. Okay. I love that scent. It's a 10 out of 10. Now I have another one that I really think is going to be a 10 out of 10. I knew this one was already going to be a 10 out of 10. Okay, but this one, in question, well, I'm pretty sure it is because this one's really good. Okay. You guys saw me. Well, I don't know if I posted, but it's a Happy Sushi DIY butter sushi slime scented sweet jalapeno level intermediate. So for this one, they tell you, know what I like about this? They tell you the scent, the level. The only thing about this though is it's the reason why it says DIY because I put a bunch of stuff in it. There was a bunch of other stuff. There was like little sushis that were like clay that I put in here. It was amazing. Look at that. That if you're a feel guys, I'm warning you, if you're a feel holes, I'm sorry. Oh gosh, I'm stuck in my hand. Okay. We're just gonna oh, it does smell like that. And you can see that this layer the like holes, the beads, and then the slime. Ooh. Great. Oh, you know how it's lighter down here? That's because it's glue. The butter and the glue separated. Okay, wait. It still works. That's wait. I don't know if I should take it out or not. I'm still deciding. You have to work fast. It's a fast working slime. Oh, fast. I don't think we should take this one out if you leave your finger in there too long. Yeah, it's a fast working slime. Intermediate. Yeah, no, this is not an intermediate. This is an expert. If you leave your finger in. If you don't. Ooh, I love it. Okay. Everybody calls me the slime expert. Like all my friends do. Because, yeah. I used to be obsessed with slime. I still have a whole bag. Like a big bag, too. And I still have a whole box with more slime stuff in it. I don't know what happened to half of my slime stuff. Because I have way more than what's in that bag that I had downstairs in my toy room. Fast. Working. There. So did I? Oh, I have one really small slime after this one. Okay. I loved it. Amazing. Now, this one. Okay, I'm very skeptical about this one. It's so tiny. Look at it, it's so big. Oh my gosh, it's bigger than my head. It's so tiny. Okay, it's really good. It's so. Ooh. Oh, thought it was gonna be hard. Now the glitter, like the glitter doesn't get on my hand, but that's also micro glitter. I don't know what to call this. A putty. That's what it is. It's a putty. Smell test. Oh, I forgot to rate this one because it's kind of loopy goopy from what it used to be. We're gonna rate it an 8, 10. This is bubble slime. Wait, let me do that one more time. Okay. I'm gonna rate this one small, simple, not amazing smell. For its size, a 9 out of 10 for its size, but in all, an 8 out of 10. That was it. So now I'm just gonna rate the whole entire box. I thought we had some good slimes here. Let's do an 8 out of 10. We did have that really goopy one. Well, because I had the lotion in there too. Let's back that up to a 9 out of 10. Because that was really good. And some of those slimes smelled amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Bye.